Welcome to Boba Bricks. Today I'm building the next bag of the third building of Diagon Alley. The building is floors and blocks and the ice cream parlor. So let's get started. Now I'm finished building this bag. It was mainly working on the roof of the two buildings, but I think the building technique is pretty cool. In this bag, I also built little bookcases on the front of the building, which is pretty unique. And that's all for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and come back next week for a brand new video.